Welcome back, folks. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Amy. I am a Canva coach and a Canva community certified trainer. And today I'm going to show you how to create a very easy graduation poster where your grad pops out. So let's get started. I'm going to scoot over to my elements section and I'm going to search for torn paper. And we can use almost any type of torn paper. You can use graphics, you can use photos, anything really. And I'm going to place this graphic right up here like this. I'm going to make a copy of this and I'm going to place it down on the bottom like this. I'm going to grab a photo. I'll just go into my recently used. I'll grab this photo right here and I'm going to take a copy of this photo and just lay the one on top directly on top of the one below, so they are both exactly one on top of another. Now we can also grab both of those photos. Now if they were separated like this, we could just grab both of those photos, click the ellipsis and go to align elements, and we could just say center, and that would put both of them one on top of another, which would make us really much easier. But I'm going to grab the one on top only and I'm going to remove the background. And now I'm going to grab both of them and I'm going to make them larger. And I'll just put that right in the middle like that. Now you'll remember I've got two photos, one on top of another. One has the background and the other one is just the outline of the graduate. I'm going to go to position and layers and I'm going to grab the one with the background and just bring it behind those two ripped paper elements. So I'll grab this one and I'll just drag it behind. That will leave this photo of the graduate with the background removed on top. Again, I'm going to grab both of them because I want to make both photos a lot larger. And again, I'm just going to center her a little bit. Now I want for her body to kind of be tucked in behind that ripped paper. So I'm going to grab the top image and I'm just going to crop it so that that ripped paper looks like it's sitting right on top of the grad with her head popping out on top. Let's add some text and just see what that looks like now. So I've got a little bit of text on my workspace now. I'm going to grab this text and just make it a little bit larger. Now, if you want to center something on your workspace, the easiest thing is to click on your text and just make sure that you've got the center aligned. And then you want to just extend that text box all the way to the edges. I'm going to grab this text box and just move it down a little bit. The same with this one here. And I'm going to just make that a little bit larger. And the same here. I'm going to go to position and layers, and I'm going to make that rip paper on top just a little bit larger. I'm going to go to effects, and I'm going to use the hollow effect for that word right there. And for this one, I am going to click on the text color. I'm going to go to default gradient colors and select see all. And I'm going to choose this color right here to kind of match with the background. I'm going to go back to the document colors. I'm going to click that orange again, and I'm going to choose the diagonal option like that. And now I'm also going to add a little bit of an outline to that. So I'll go back to effects, and I'll click the outline option, and I'm going to change the outline to a soft gray like that. And that's about it, guys. So what do you think of this grad pop-up poster? What would you have done different? Let me know in the comments whether you like it, whether you would have done something a little bit different. If you learned anything in this tutorial, if you liked this tutorial, press the like button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. If you're on mobile and you can, I'd really appreciate if you could hype this video. For now, my friends, I'm going to say bye-bye until next time.